What's up guys, Justin here with the RealTimeEssentials.com, back with another Unity asset video for you. So in today's video we're going to check out the mega bundle sale that's going on right now inside of the Unity asset store. So this sale contains a number of excellent assets for Unity that you can get at a significantly discounted rate. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. Alright, so you can find this mega bundle sale on the Unity Asset Store. I will link to this in the notes down below. But basically what we've got is we've got a sale that's going on that gives you a big bundle of assets that you can download. And I don't remember exactly, I think there's something like 28 assets or something like this, depending on the level that you go with here. But notice how you've got basically three options, right? You've got a $25 tier, you've got a $35 tier, and then you've got a $45 tier. And basically what you've got here is you've got a number of different assets that are steeply discounted. So for example, if you look at like the vault inventory, that one by itself is going to be cheaper than the $25. So if you put all of those together, I mean, it's a substantial discount from the full price. So that's something to definitely consider as you're looking at this. But you've got the three different tiers, right? You get the 3 tools at 25, you get the 3 tools plus these 4 tools at 35, and then you get everything at 45. And so I just want to kind of take a look at what's contained in here. If you guys are interested, we can make a video or a few videos more in depth on these. But for now, let's just kind of take a look. So the first tier basically has 3 tools designed for data management, display, things like that. So Vault Inventory is basically a tool designed to help you create like inventory management systems for your games. So the kinds of things that your characters are carrying, things like that. So Better UI. This is a tool that's actually designed to help you build user interfaces inside of Unity. So what it does is it allows you to create things like images and control the colors and the text and other things like that. So you can use this to basically create your interface systems. So the enhanced scroller is basically built to make it easier to display a lot of data inside of Unity. So basically it's designed to take lots of lists of objects and make them easily manageable in here. So notice how you've got like different scrollers and grids and other things like that in order to show different pieces of data. And then if we scroll down, the $35 block has some additional tools that are contained in here. So these are a little bit more varied. So Monkey is basically a tool that's designed to help you search for and use commands inside of Unity. So they've got some great videos in here kind of showing you what it does. But basically what it allows you to do is it allows you to look for different commands, find them quickly, and then use them. So it's something that's basically designed to help you automate more like tedious and repetitive tasks, things like that. And by the way, if any of you are interested in more in-depth tutorials on any of these, just let me know. I'll probably be doing a couple of these before the sale's over. So like I said, just let me know in the comments down below. So Easy Decal is a tool that's basically designed to help you add decals to your scenes inside of Unity, which again, like super, for someone coming from more of the 3D space, this one's super interesting to me. Being able to just quickly add in those decals to your walls and your other objects and other things like that. So this is probably one of the ones that I'm going to focus on probably with a more detailed tutorial later on, but super excited about this one. The Endless Runner engine. So basically what this is a tool designed to help you create those kind of endless runner or endless games, the kind of like procedural ones where you're either flying through or racing or other things like that. So so you can see how basically what it does is it gives you a set of tools designed to help you generate those levels that are kind of like the endless runner levels. So it's basically a tool set designed specifically for that kind of game. So again, super interesting, especially if you're into this kind of game creation. All right, and then the terrain grid system is an interesting tool. I didn't realize there was something kind of this focused, but basically what it is it's a tool designed to break your terrains into grids, right? So if you're going to create something like this that has highlightable grids as part of the graphics, you can do that, but it also gives you the ability to break your terrain up into like selectable grids. So if you're doing things with like games that have portions of a map that need to be selected or something like that, this is basically tools designed in order to break that up. It's very specific to me, but it does have some really interesting applications. All right, so then in the upper tier, you get another 11 tools in here. Honestly, I think if you're going to do this, just, at least to me, going with the highest tier makes the most sense. You're getting a lot more tools if you go to this highest tier, and a lot of these are way more expensive than the $45. So, I mean, some of them are like $90 or $100, so you're getting them at a very steep discount. So this is a really great chance to get some of these tools if there's something in here that you're interested in. But let's take a closer look at them. So Mesh Slicer is a tool designed for basically helping you slice meshes in Unity. So it's set up so that you can do this in real time, but it's got a tool set in here that's going to allow you to help set up the different colliders and work with the different meshes and things like that. So if you're looking for something that's going to allow you to create those slices across different meshes, this could definitely be a great tool for that. So Digger Pro is basically a tool that allows you to do like real-time digging in terrains inside of Unity. So basically what it does is it allows you to take a terrain and then dig into it. So basically what it does is it turns your Unity terrains into fully destructible terrains. So if you want to add like a digging piece to your games, or you just want to edit your terrains, this could be a great tool for doing that. So the Space Graphics Toolkit, it's basically a toolkit designed to help you create space-style effects inside of Unity. So it comes with a number of different media packs and other things inside of it, specifically designed to help you create those things like planets and a lot of the different effects that you would usually see in space. So a lot of like volumetric type tools and other things like that. But this tool set's really designed to specifically help you create those space scenes. So there's a bunch of different assets in here and other things like that. So if space is your focus, this could be a good fit. Alright, so Realistic Eye Movements is basically a tool designed to do exactly what it sounds like. It's designed to help you create realistic eye movements with your characters. So it helps you animate those eye movements. So scrolling down, so it does obviously have things like blinking and other things like that. But as we scroll down, there's options down here for characters. If you were created with Mixamo or Make Human or Daz Studio or Character Creator, you can just bring these in and set that up really quickly. So this has some really interesting possibilities if you're doing character creation and animation inside of Unity. Alright, so Dungeon Architect, this is another one of those that I may get into a little bit deeper because it looks like a lot of fun. It's basically a procedural level generation tool, so it gives you a tool set for quickly creating levels, specifically like dungeon style levels inside of Unity. So it has a number of different tools contained inside of it. So it has a theme editor allowing you to adjust the look and feel of your scenes, and it has a number of different like painting object tools that I think are really interesting. So painting in layouts and other things like that. So there's a number of different templates that are in here that you can start with. So everything from a grid builder to a simple city to other tools in here as well. So like I said, we may get into this one a little bit more, but this is definitely an interesting tool to me. So Performance Tools is basically a collection of 3 different assets. Their Advanced Render System, the Super Level Optimizer, and the Advanced Culling System. These are basically tools designed for optimization of levels. So it's got things like camera culling. So basically what it'll do is it'll allow you to cull objects out based on where your camera is. So this is definitely a tool designed to improve the performance of your different levels. So you can see how, for example, if we jump over here, you can see that you can use this in order to cull things out that aren't within the camera view. So something that can really improve the performance by hiding the things on the screen or inside of your levels that you're not currently seeing with your camera. So MudBun is a VFX mesh editing tool. So it's designed to give you a number of tools for working with and interacting meshes, so things like booleans and other things like that. So it allows you to create a bunch of different like stylized looks and other things like that. So there's a lot of tools contained inside of this one. So it's also able to do things like auto rigging and other things like that. So Salsa Lip Sync is basically a tool designed to help you set up talking with your characters, as well as eye movement and expressions. So it incorporates with like Daz 3D and Character Creator. So it's something that you can use in order to set up that talking. So for example, when you use this, it's going to look something like this. So you're going to be able to basically use it to set up those different characters and then set up if they're going to talk and how that looks. It's a tool for tuning those different things. So Asset Hunter Pro is a tool designed to help you delete out unused assets or duplicate assets inside of Unity. So basically it's a size management tool. It's just going to give you a tool set where you can go through and you can find the unused assets that are contained inside of your project and then delete them. So very specific tool for managing your project sizes. But if you have larger projects, it's definitely something that's worth trying out in order to get rid of things and make the size a little bit more manageable. So motion matching is basically a tool designed to help you automate the motion process inside of Unity. So basically what it does is it tries to take care of most of the transitions between different animations for you. So what it does is it's going to compare the pose and then desired trajectory, and then it's going to try to jump to the appropriate animation in your library. So this one seems like it's a little bit more advanced, so there is a note that you need to at least understand basic scripting, and you're probably going to have to be able to do a little bit more programming. So this seems like something that can help you create some great results, but at the same time I think there's going to be a lot of knowledge involved, so it's not just going to be like a simple plug and play solution, but it seems like it could be a really valuable tool or powerful tool for helping you manage those animations and the way they interact inside of your library. All right, and then finally we have DinoFracture. So DinoFracture is a tool for actually breaking meshes apart inside of Unity. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to help you fracture different objects, and it can either do that in real time or it can do that like pre-fractured. So for example, if you take a space or an object like this, it's pre-fractured, meaning you don't have to run those calculations while your game is running. That fracturing has already been done. So this is a tool specifically for those like destruction style things and other things like this. We may look at this one a little bit more in depth as well. So it looks like it could be a lot of fun and add some fun dynamics to Unity. So I will link to the sale in the notes down below. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you'd like to know more about any of these assets. I just love having that conversation with you guys. So if you like this video, please remember to click that like button down below. If you're new around here, remember to click that subscribe button for new Unity content every week. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.